A remote job for an account manager is opening right now. This one is an insurance company, and you can basically just do this work from the comfort of your home, and this job is paying from 24 to 27 dollars, and this job has a whole lot of benefit also, and I'm going to be going into all of the benefits in this job right now, so you have to stay to the end of this video so you can get all the details and all the information that you need before you can get signed up for this job that I'm about to show you right now. And also make sure that you share this video right now on your social media, guys, because somebody is going to thank you for sharing this video when they get this job from you guys, man. That's the thing. You need to learn how to give, guys. You sharing this video is part of you giving. So guys, before I go into this video right now, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and make sure you give me a comment down below this video. Positive or negative comments, all comments are welcome, guys. Just leave your comment down below this video, and without further ado, let's go into the details of this job offer right now. You can see junior account manager, employee benefits, remote, California, insurance relief, Capitola CA, which is California right there, 24 to 27 dollar per hour, vision medical, dental, part-time or full-time, paid time or full-time. Those are part of the benefit. Before we go into the company info right now, let's see the job description right now. It's a junior account manager, employee benefit, remote, California, remote for California resident only. Bro, that's what breaks my heart sometimes when I see job that is just for California people only, man. That breaks my heart so much, man, because I have people watching from everywhere in the world watching this video right now. So how can you give me an offer that is just for California? But because we love California people, man, so we're still doing this for you guys. So that's why I'm bringing this for you right now. So if you know somebody in California, make sure you share this video to them right now. Or if you belong to a group or an organization that has to do with a lot of California people, man, you sharing this video, they're gonna thank you, they're gonna appreciate you for doing that. You can see, are you seeking a tailored a company tailored to your insurance expertise in employee benefit? We want to add a junior account manager to the team. In this role, you will collaborate with producer and account manager team, managing a book of business. This company value its employees, client, and top customer service experience. This job may be a great fit if you show initiative and enjoy collaborating. What's in it for you? 24 to 27 per hour, 100% employer pay benefit, and 75% for independent. 35-hour work week. You can calculate that. This times 35 hours, 401k, part-time, paid time off, and pay holiday. Wow, this one also pay holiday. What we need from you, these are all the things they need from you. You can pause the video to read all that. Responsibility, these are the responsibility that you need to have. Apply now. Why insurance relief, you can read all of this right now. I don't need to read all that. Let's see the company info to see how we can contact the company right now. You can see about the insurance relief, industry, recruiting and staffing service, company size 1 to 10, headquarter location France, no, CA USA, website insurance_relief.com. I'm going to put a link below this